Wizard of Vase. I'm Kim McIsaac, and I'd like to explain a little more what the Wizard of Vase is all about. Alright, so we all have a cupboard like this at home where you have a bunch of vases just kind of collecting dust, and you take it up for special occasions, you put your flowers in it, the flowers die, and then you put it back in the cupboard. But I want to show you a way that you can turn this into a lamp and use it on a daily basis. 4 years ago, I discovered my love of turning vases into lamps. I had a bunch of vases piling up at home, as I'm sure you do as well. And I thought, what can I do with them? I'm not a green thumb. Plants and flowers just die immediately once I bring them to the house. So what I did is I took the plain vase and I added glitter to it, like so. Here's an example of what the finished product looked like. Very cool. Another option is putting it just on the inside. So yes, this is what I came up with, and I'm like, it's still missing something. So I thought, I have these LED lights kicking around as well. There we go. And then I decided to pop it in the vase, and you can see it kind of adds even more of a sparkle. I'll show you the other way as well. Perfect. So I had a tea light kicking around as well, and I thought, what if I put it in the vase? Very pretty. So if you turn it, it kind of sparkles as well. So another idea I had is a scented candle lid. It was just kicking around as well. So I take my LED light and I just glued it to the lid. And I've got another one ready to go here. And then you just twist it and pop it on the vase. So another example I have is taking the empty vase, and I like using these acrylic beads. So you just simply dump them in, like so. And we take our LED light up lid, twist it on, place it on top, and it projects a really pretty pattern. Okay, so another example we have is we're going to take our empty vase, and I like adding these little bubble beads. So we've got some hot pink ones here, and all you do is just pour them in your empty vase. Oh, there goes one, that's okay. And we're going to fill it right to the rim, and then kind of shake it so it's even. And then we take our LED light up lid, twist it, put it on top, and it projects a really pretty pattern. Okay, so another example is we're going to take this vase. It kind of looks like a pineapple to me. So what I've done is I will show you. I've got one right here. I've taken water and I've added yellow food coloring. So I would just pour it in. And another element to this vase, which is fun, I found this kind of pineapple lid. And I've added the LED light. So we'll twist it and turn it on, and then you just place it over top. And it looks like a pineapple.